बदनाम गर्नु defame D-E-F-A-M-E defame उसलाई बदनाम नगर Don't defame him Don't defame him कसले मलाई बदनाम गर्न खोज्दैछ Who is trying to defame me Who is trying to defame me तिमी मानिसलाई बदनाम गर्न भनेर नै जन्मिएको हौ You were born to defame people You were born to defame people W-E-R-E were होइन were र यो भर्खरैको सेन्टेन्स कहिलेकाहीँ मानिसलाई गाली गर्न पनि प्रयोग गरिन्छ यस्तै अर्को एउटा वाक्य छ तिमी परिवारलाई बदनाम गर्नको लागि मात्र जन्मेको हौ You're born only to defame the family You're born only to defame the family अब यो हेरौं तिमीलाई उनको बदनाम गर्ने अधिकार छैन अथवा हक छैन You have no right to defame her You have no right to defame her Right अधिकार उसले इमानदार मानिसहरूलाई बदनाम गर्छ र ब्ल्याकमेल गर्छ He defames honest people and blackmails them. He defames honest people and blackmails them. Honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, है? Honest होइन, honest. र blackmails, मैले भनेको काम गरिनस् भने म तेरो पोल खोल्दिन्छु, त्यस्तै खालको हो. जे होस् नराम्रो हो. He defames honest people and blackmails them. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Subscribe को छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. असहज अथवा अप्ठ्यारो uneasy. के तपाई कहिल्यै अप्ठ्यारो महसुस गर्नुहुन्छ? Do you ever feel uneasy? Do you ever feel uneasy? म यसबारे असहज छु अथवा मलाई यस विषयमा असजिलो लागेको छ. I'm uneasy about this. I'm uneasy about this. अब अर्को वाक्य हेरौं मलाई अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो लागेको छ. I'm feeling a little uneasy. I'm feeling a little uneasy. मलाई अहिले अप्ठ्यारो महसुस भइरहेको छ. I am feeling uneasy right now. I am feeling uneasy right now. म उनको वरिपरि असहज महसुस गर्छु. I feel uneasy around her. I feel uneasy around her. यसमा असहज महसुस गर्नुपर्ने के छ र? What's there to feel uneasy about? What's there to feel uneasy about? अझै अर्को वाक्य हेरौं तिमीले मलाई अहिले असहज महसुस गराउँदैछौ. You're making me feel uneasy right now अथवा now. You're making me feel uneasy right now अथवा now. यसले तिमीलाई कसरी असहज बनाउँछ? Why would this make you uneasy? Why would this make you uneasy? अन्तिम वाक्य मलाई थाहा छ तिमी किन असहज महसुस गरिरहेका छौ. I know why you're feeling uneasy. I know why you're feeling uneasy. अब अर्को हो right here. यही नै अथवा ठ्याक्क यही. पहिलो वाक्य मैले मेरो झोला ठ्याक्क यहाँ छोडे. I left my bag right here. I left my bag right here. Here को अर्थ यहाँ र right here भन्दा चाहिँ यही अथवा ठ्याक्क यहाँ. I left my bag right here. You don't need to shout. I'm standing right here. कराउनु पर्दैन, म यही उभिरहेको छु. You don't need to shout. I'm standing right here. एउटा कुर्सी तान र यही बस. Pull up a chair and sit down right here. Pull up a chair and sit down right here. तिनीहरू यही नै थिए उसको वरिपरि. They were right here all around him. They were right here all around him. अझै अर्को वाक्य साँचो 15 मिनेट पहिले ठ्याक्क यही थियो, अहिले कहाँ गयो त? The key was right here 15 minutes ago. Where did it go now? 15 मिनेट अगाडि राखेको साँचो हरायो, त्यसैले यसो भन्नुभयो. The key was right here 15 minutes ago. Where did it go now? यहाँ केही न केही त ठीक छैन. There's something not quite right here. There's something not quite right here. अब यो हेरौं त. ठीक त्यतिखेरै अथवा त्यसो भए. Right then. त्यतिखेरै कोही आयो. Somebody came right then. Somebody came right then. ठीक त्यतिखेर सबैजना चुपचाप भए. Right then everyone went silent. Right then everyone went silent. वाक्यको सुरुमा right then राखेर त्यसपछि कमा लायो भने right then को अर्थ त्यसो भए भन्ने पनि हुन्छ है. Right then everyone went silent. अब यो हेरौं त. Right then, shall we start? त्यसो भए हामीले सुरु गरौं त. Right then, shall we start? अझै यस्तो. त्यसो भए के हामी सबै तयार छौं त? Right then, are we all ready? Right then, are we all ready? बुझ्नुभयो त? ल ठिक छ. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनु होला. ल अब हामी अघि बढौं. यो हेरौं. Struggle, संघर्ष अथवा संघर्ष गर्नु. उनले निराशामा संघर्ष त्यागे. He gave up the struggle in despair. Despair, निराशा. He gave up the struggle in despair. सफल नभएसम्म संघर्ष जारी राख. Keep up the struggle till you succeed. Keep up the struggle till you succeed. उसले आफ्नो पढाइमा संघर्ष गरिरहेको छ. He is struggling in his studies. He is struggling in his studies. ऊ एक व्यावहारिक व्यक्ति जस्तो देखिन्छ अथवा लाग्छ. He seems like a reasonable person. He seems like a reasonable person. तपाईको विचार जायज छ. Your opinion is reasonable. Your opinion is reasonable. Reasonable को अर्थ बुझ्नुभयो त? व्यावहारिक, जायज, उचित अथवा तर्कसंगत. Your opinion is reasonable. यहाँ मूल्य उचित छ. The price is reasonable here. The price is reasonable here. यो कसरी तर्कसंगत छ? How is it reasonable? How is it reasonable? बुझिरहनु भएको छ नि है? Reasonable होइन, reasonable. 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 How is it reasonable? तिमीले जे माग्दैछौ त्यो तर्कसंगत छैन. What you are asking is not reasonable. What you are asking is not reasonable. अब हाम्रो अन्तिम शब्द हेरौं त. Carry on. जारी राख अथवा जारी राख्नु. अवरोधको लागि माफ गर्नुहोला. ल जारी राख्नुहोस्. Sorry to interrupt. Do carry on. जुन काम गरिरहनु भएको छ त्यो जारी राख्नुहोस् भनेको हो. Sorry to interrupt. Do carry on. अझै एउटा वाक्य हेरौं त. हामीले रोकिनु हुँदैन, हामीले जारी राख्नु पर्छ. We shouldn't stop. We must carry on. We shouldn't stop. We must carry on. आजलाई यति नै. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. र अंग्रेजीको प्र्याक्टिस पनि जारी राख्नुहोस्. Carry on your English practice. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a good